In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present your team in Canva. We'll walk through creating a polished, on-brand team introduction that's clear, consistent, and ready to present live. Start by opening Canva and selecting Presentation. This sets the stage with the right dimensions for slides. In the Design area, search for Meet the Team or Team Introduction. These templates are pre-built with photo placeholders, name fields, and bio areas, so you can spend less time formatting and more time telling your team's story. Choose a layout that reflects your brand personality, clean and modern for a corporate look, or bold and colorful for a creative vibe, and keep the style consistent across all slides for a cohesive experience. Next, upload your team photos by dragging headshots into the Uploads tab. Aim for clear, well-lit images with similar framing. In the Elements tab, open frames and pick a uniform shape. Circles or squares work great. Drop each headshot into the frame so every portrait looks consistent and professional. Use Canva's alignment guides to keep spacing even and adjust crop and positioning so faces are centered. Now customize your content. Replace placeholder text with each person's name, title, and a short professional background. Keep bios concise. 1 or 2 sentences is usually enough. Use your brand kit to apply your official fonts and colors, so the deck instantly matches your identity. Maintain visual hierarchy with a larger font for names, a medium size for titles, and smaller text for bios. Check contrast to make sure everything is easy to read on any screen. To add visual interest, open the Elements tab and bring in simple icons for social platforms or department identifiers. Keep the icon style consistent, line or filled, but not both, and use color accents sparingly to draw attention without clutter. If you need custom artwork, try Magic Media to generate illustrations that complement your theme while staying on brand. If you are collaborating, assign specific slides to teammates so they can add their own info simultaneously. This keeps ownership clear and speeds up edits. When you are ready to present, click Present and choose Standard mode for a clean slideshow or presenter view if you want to see your speaker notes privately. For multi-presenter sessions, share remote controls so colleagues can advance their own sections from their devices. To boost engagement, turn on Canva Live and let your audience submit questions in real time. Then address them as you go. Finally, click Share and select your team to grant view or edit access to the finished deck, keeping permissions appropriate for your workflow. Thanks for watching.